All right, here's a big development here. Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu holds meeting with the top government ministers and leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha. We're looking at this meeting held only to break the deadlock. Rajya Sabha Chairman urges both the government and the opposition leaders to collectively resolve the present stalemate in the parliament. Venkaiah Naidu met with government ministers on Monday evening. Naidu has discussed the stalemate in the House with the leader of the opposition, the Rajya Sabha, there, Mallikarjun Kharge, after the first adjournment of the House today. Let me cut across to Rahul Srivastav, joining us for more detail on that. Rahul, take us through. Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Venkaiah Naidu, now intervening, asking for top government ministers as well as the opposition there to end this deadlock. 3 weeks on, and we're looking at the monsoon sessions almost washed out.
See, the productivity of Parliament has really gone down in this session. In the first 3 weeks, the estimate is that only 14% business transacted in Lok Sabha. That's the productivity rate. And the productivity rate of Rajya Sabha may be slightly better, but it's just 21%. Only 15.3% time allocated has been used up for legislations. Something or nearly 100 hours of special mentions, 0 hour and others has been lost. Now, in money terms, each second costs a huge amount to organize a parliament session. And the estimate is that over 133 crore has been lost. So Rajya Sabha Chairman, who has been trying to restore normalcy and end the political logjam in Rajya Sabha over the last few days on the floor of the House, has started holding meetings. He held a meeting with Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister, Home Minister Amit Shah, Prahlad Joshi, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, and Piyush Goyal, the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, and urged the government that it needs to open dialogue with the opposition and ensure that collectively there is an end to the logjam. Right after the first disruption today, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu met Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, the leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha, to convey a similar message. The crisis is that the opposition is adamant, have discussion on Pegasus, on its conditions. The government says it's a manufactured issue, and only the statement made by Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav, the mighty minister, is enough. Given these two strident positions by the two government and the opposition, there is no meeting point. What Mr. Venkaiah Naidu has said, that find a common ground, resolve the crisis soonest.
Our leaders pay heed to that. We're looking at 3 weeks on.